The battery performance is arguably the strongest spec-to-reality match in the kit. Measured runtime. I ran a continuous recording test at 72 degrees Fahrenheit. The transmitters lasted 9 hours and 42 minutes, just shy of the 10-hour claim, with ENC turned off. Charging case. The camera version case is a beast. It provides 3 full recharges for the entire set. Total field time is roughly 40 hours. Charging quirks. The case uses USB-C, but it is picky. I found it wouldn't charge using some high-wattage MacBook Pro chargers, USB-C PD, requiring a standard 5-volt 2A dumb brick or a lower-spec cable. Ecosystem and long-term value. The Lark M2 combo is a Swiss Army knife out of the box. Unlike the Rode Wireless Micro, which forces you to choose between USB-C or Lightning, the Lark M2 combo includes a camera RX 3.3mm TRS, a USB-C mobile RX, and a Lightning mobile RX, MFI certified. Repairability. The iFixit style outlook is grim. These units are glued and sealed for the 9-gram weight goal. If the internal 97 mAh LiPo battery dies in 3 years, you're not replacing it yourself. You're buying a new transmitter for roughly $35 to $45. 3-year total cost of ownership. Initial kit, $140 to $160. Spare magnet or clip kit, $15. You will lose a magnet. Total, $175. Compared to a $349 DJI Mic 2 setup, the Lark M2 is half the price for 80% of the functionality.